Ciao ragazzi, come stai? Welcome to my vlog and welcome to Italy. Yes, I'm on vacation here. As you might have noticed from my Instagram, if you're not yet following me, oh my god, Instagram is linguamarina. So I always prefer to travel to places where I can practice languages, and today we're in Italy and I'm gonna practice Italian. I'm very basic, but I know some phrases that are helping me out here. So I'm gonna teach you some basic phrases that you can use while you're here, because it's an amazing feeling when you can practice a language, when you can speak to locals in their mother tongue. So if you're interested, continue watching this video.
Oi Gardilla che aspetta stasera, non aprite faccia aperta gaiola, reginella e volata e tu vola, non e canta, non c'hai ne regala.
Bravo, grazie. People ask me why I learn Italian. I always tell them to be able to order in Italian restaurants. Let's start with the basics. When you see someone in Italy and you want to greet them, you say ciao. And when you want to say bye, you also say ciao. But what I notice here in Italy is that Italians say a lot of buongiorno if it's during the day, which is like good day. I wouldn't really translate it into English. Or they would say buonasera if it's good evening. Buonanotte is good night. But again, the easiest is ciao. I forgot how to say dog.
Francesco.
In italiano, cane?
Cane. Luna si chiama.
Luna, si chiama
Ammazza.
Luna. Her name
Luna,
is
la ammazzeranno.
Hi. Hello. 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 During this video, we're gonna be taking breaks. So you'll learn a couple of phrases, then we take a break, and I show you amazing Italy. And basically, when people ask me, why are you learning Italian? This is your fourth language, do you even need it? And I'm like, yes, whenever I'm in Italy, I want to speak Italian. You know, this is the best one of the best feelings in the world. When you come to a country and you're able to interact with locals in their own language. And it gives you this feeling of achievement, and it gives you this feeling of belonging to the environment where you are. I just love it. This is why I'm a language fan. So yeah, get inspired with Italy. Buongiorno! Posso prendere succo di arancia?
Due?
Un succo di arancia e un succo di carota.
Ok.
Succo di arancia, orange juice. Succo di carota, carrot juice. And the most common mistake that all of us make in Italian is ordering a latte macchiato by just saying latte, because we're used to doing that in the US. And whenever I say, I was like yesterday, I wanted to order latte with iced latte. The lady kept staring at me because I was like, I really want latte with ice, and she brought her manager, and he was like, oh, latte macchiato, because they were just about to bring me milk with ice. And another thing, they actually hate mixing coffee with ice. And one of the guys who has to bring me iced latte was like, but this is so bad for your stomach. I'm not gonna put ice in it. I'm just gonna put cold milk in your coffee, because otherwise you're gonna destroy whatever is going on in your system. So don't offend Italians. Drink hot coffee here. Sorry, what do you say when you say like cheers when you drink?
Orange juice?
No. When you do this, what do you say? Oh, salute. Grazie. Grazie. Okay, they say salute. Guys, salute. I'm staying in is my first ever hotel Instagram deal, so they let me stay for free for my stories and a couple posts. But because I love them so much, they are providing me with food and massages and everything. I decided to share this hotel in this video as well. It's called Miramare Sea Resort. Highly recommended. It has 4 stars now, but the next year they're getting 5 stars. So I'm leaving a link below. If I had to pay for this hotel, I totally would. I'm enjoying it so much, and I'm spending time with my mom, just listening to an audiobook, and just enjoying myself in the sunshine, eating good food. Amazing experience. Questo è gelato. I just said this is gelato, and when you order something you can say io voglio un gelato. I want an ice cream. Io voglio latte macchiato. Or you can just say prego un latte macchiato. Please, coffee latte. Wow.
Where are you from?
Russia. Russia?
Ah, Russia.
Ma io abito a San Francisco.
No, grande, bellissimo.
Sì.
But you, what is your name?
Linguamarina.
Linguamarina. Okay. One moment.
I like that my Instagram name is very easy to remember for all the Italian and Spanish speakers. Like linguamarina, because everyone's like, oh yeah. But when I tell Americans like linguamarina, they're like, lingua what? How does it feel waiting for a taxi at 35 degrees?
I lost like 2 kilos.
Sono arrivata a Capri. Capri is a smaller island off the shore of Naples and Sorrento, and we're gonna stay here for 2 days. These are our last 2 days in Italy out of 19 days that I've spent here. This has been one of the longest vacations I've ever had, and I feel that 3 weeks is just the right time for me to relax, because when I arrived I was working for the first 2 days because I was switching from like the work mode to the rest mode, and then I was like, okay, I'm gonna leave my phone at the hotel so I can fully relax at the beach, start reading books. I've read 3 books, just started the 4th one, and what we do with Dima is that when we finish our vacation, when we have 2 last days, we book the best hotel that we can find, because this is like this last impression of Italy. So I'm super excited about the hotel we're going to right now. I'm gonna show everything to you. A couple of words that I wanted to teach you here, because we're in the Porto di Capri. Questo è spremuta di arancia con ice. Okay, this has been one of the most expensive orange juices I've ever had. €7.50. Italy in high season is more expensive than San Francisco, especially taxis. On average, I pay €30 for like a 10-minute ride, 20-minute ride. In San Francisco, I pay like, if it's Uber Pool, I can pay $2, $3. If it's Uber X, maybe like 10, 15. Yeah. Who's the king of Italy?
I'm Mabo. Londonette.
It's one of the funniest taxis I've ever been into. Similar to tuk-tuks in Thailand, right?
Yeah.
One of my favorite Italian drinks called chinotto. It's like Italian Coca-Cola with the taste of bitter orange.
Chin chin, guys.
You can drink, you can eat, and for lunch, where you can go now, is this one, our terrace. It's a bistro, and you can eat another menu different from the one to the bar until 3:30.
So the bistro is here, right?
Yeah.
Buongiorno.
Always the key here for the electricity.
Okay. Nice.
Nice, very cool.
Wow. Look at that.
Wow, perfect.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I give you the second key with your ID and password for the Wi-Fi.
We'll definitely need to try this one and this one.
This is a 2-star Michelin restaurant breakfast. Included in the room rate. We just realized there are four more tables. Okay, class continues. Fragole, mirtilli, agurie, marina. I think is this the best hotel breakfast? No. You remember Hyatt in Moscow? I did like a paid partnership with one of the companies, and they paid for our stay in Hyatt Moscow. And they served black caviar for breakfast.
Really?
Do you remember?
No. Black caviar.
Yeah, there was like a bowl with black caviar. It was so good, but if we remove black caviar from that hotel, I think this is one of the best breakfasts I've ever had so far.
Yeah, 100%.
And the view is amazing, and latte.
And it's not paid partnership, so it's true information though.
Yeah. This is a 1-star Michelin restaurant. People come here on their yachts, and this is the place where our hotel serves dinner, lunch.
We have a table of 3, now it's like 7:37, and we're waiting for 7 minutes, and nothing happened.
It's a 15-euro pasta with sea urchins. Say it was a nice experience. I wouldn't say I would give it a Michelin star. Overpriced. Cheers. We gotta get this wild strawberries. They are the best. And you can't find them in California.
Do you want to wear it?
No, we can't for the tax free. I think we need to put
But
them in
who
tax.
knows?
No, but tonight I give you the box, of course.
Oh, okay. How is this called in Italian?
Collana.
Collana. Collana di Chanel. This is the last dinner. Tomorrow we're heading home first to Munich. We're spending a night in Munich, and then we're flying to San Francisco. And we're just staying in a hotel's restaurant.
It was perfect vacation, right?
It was perfect vacation. 3 weeks. He's been here for 2 weeks. I've been here for 3 weeks, and I'm definitely coming back to Italy. So it was amazing. I'm gonna teach you some more words. Stay tuned. It's one of my favorite dishes in Italy, polpo, which is octopus. La pasta con burrata. It tastes good?
Sì, molto, benissimo.
Sì. Pulire la tavola, sì?
Sì, pure la tavola. Sbriciolare.
Perfect.
Sbriciolare is this?
Yeah, sì.
Questo
qua.
Nice.
We're recording for the YouTube channel about
Grazie.
languages.
About Italian language. Yeah. Grazie.
Thank you.
Nice.
Come si dice in italiano lamb?
Agnello.
Agnello.
It's like art, you know, like,
The
like a
lamb
picture.
in the hazelnut crust. So with the spring onion, tomato confit, hazelnuts, dry olives powder, endive, and here we have the juice of lamb.
Wow, juice of lamb. Oh wow. Carne di agnello. Sì?
Thank you.
Carne di agnello, prego.
Carne di miele.
Posso provare? Posso provare means can I try?
Il ristorante migliore.
Il ristorante migliore.
Il ristorante.
Il
ristorante migliore.
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 Migliore?
È il ristorante migliore.
È il ristorante
Il ristorante.
Il ristorante.
Il ristorante migliore.
Il ristorante migliore. You order dessert?
Yep. Cioccolato
E
con
con
passion.
pesce. Frutto della passione.
Frutto della passione.
Frutto della passione.
Is the first time in Capri?
Yes.
Where are you from?
From Russia.
Oh, super.
So what we do once again, we do
Thyme, basil, and lavender. How do you say verb? I'm surprised. Io sono.
Sorpresa.
Io sono.
Sorpresa.
Io sono sorpresa?
Sì.
soppresso.
Sorpreso.
Sorpreso for the boy
Yeah,
and sorpresa
sorpresa
for the
Woman.
Smells so good here. I like your station.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, when the time is up. Nice.
Thank you so
Enjoy
much.
the rest.
Thank you.
Grazie.
Grazie.
A voi.
It's our petit four. Le zeppole. Zeppole is a fried donuts. With
Zeppole.
a pastry cream or chocolate. Red fruit jelly.
Come si dice in italiano?
Gelatina e frutti rossi.
Russi? O rossi?
Rossi.
Gelatina frutti rossi.
Hazelnut praline. And dark chocolate with olive oil.
Wow.
This is, guys, the best restaurant experience in my life. Like,
Thank you.
Yeah.
thank you guys. It's so special.
So special, yeah.
And
Absolutely.
it's so cool that in Michelin restaurant the food is super tasty. Because sometimes it's like interesting but not tasty.
Yeah.
Here it's very interesting and very tasty. It's great. Highly recommend. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. This is the end of our trip to Italy.
It was very good, but you know,
Too short.
it was very good but short.
We're saying ciao, ci vediamo, arrivederci.
Bravo ragazzi.
No, this is not a goodbye. I'm saying all the versions of goodbye. Ciao, arrivederci, ci vediamo. And hopefully we'll come to Italy in a year or so, right?
Yes.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, hit subscribe and I will see you soon.